Not having a QR code is a lose of opportunity, as they give a digital dimension to your brand. Having a QR code today is a must. Let's learn more together.
Meet Bob. Bob owns a retail business and uses QR code marketing to engage customers and increase sales. He creates a QR code to give discounts to the first 10 customers who scan the QR code on a store window. Whether it's Christmas Day, New Year's Eve, Valentine's Day, he uses the same QR code to give different discounts and promotions. Bob doesn't need to change the QR code on a store window because Bob uses a dynamic QR code. Dynamic QR codes. Dynamic QR codes are editable. The data stored in a dynamic QR code is a short URL that looks like this. When you create a dynamic QR code, you can change where the short URL will lead your customers. Whether you want to give brand new information for a new product line, host a Christmas Eve sale, redirect your customers to your Instagram page, ask for feedback through a survey form. Dynamic QR codes are the best solution for your business. How to create a dynamic QR code. Go to a QR code generator such as qrcodetiger.com. Inside your URL, input the link to your promotional landing page, for example qrcodetiger.com/Christmas promo, and generate your QR code. When a new event comes up, go back to the dashboard and update your URL. For example qrcodetiger.com/New Year's Eve Madness.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned a lot. Please don't forget to subscribe so we can notify you with a new video and you can learn together with us more how to apply QR codes successfully for your business. Have a nice day.